Hey, so this is Shranya Agarwal. I'm in 10th grade, I'm 15, and this is the delegation of People's Republic of China. So it's my 16th MUN, and I've been doing MUN since I was like in 6th grade. And this MUN, the Ivy League MUN, it's like a big opportunity for everyone who's attending this MUN, and it has been, been very efficient in giving us the right exposure, because we meet children from all across the country, and also foreign chairs coming to us, and they're introducing us with the agenda, and we're further talking about it. We're getting to know more about the other countries' foreign policies and taking in opinions and lobbying about it, debating about it, and engaging in convincing other person to have a say on this topic, and everyone can vote upon it. So it's been very great to be here. Confidence, public speaking. Confidence is the main thing actually that I've improved here. Yes, it did, because for example, our agenda, it's about women rights. So as I thought, it is a global issue. Everyone should say that they should be women rights, but many nations are contradictories. Some nation may say that yes, there should be, but in the Islamic framework and all of that, in Sharia law. And the best thing about our committee is the Afghan women issue is actually a very controversial topic if you think in the religious terms. But our committee is very respectful about it. We respect the cultural, the cultural and religious autonomy and all of that. It's pretty nice. Almang, everyone is very respectful, very approachable, and engaging. Yes, we got regular feedbacks from the chair actually. After every conference, we can go and ask the chair how are we doing? Are we performing to our level, best of level and all that? Well, it was diverse, obviously, diverse in thoughts, in perceptions, in viewpoints, and getting to know about them. And someone speaking their own language, and having fun, knowing about their culture and all of that. Top 3 takeaways. Make friends, it's very important. And second would be engage in every discussion that's been going on, because that's the thing. And third, learning, because it's not about the awards. It's never about the awards. It's about what you learn, how you experience things, and how you take other people's viewpoints and perspectives. Well, I researched about big red education before I came, thoda bahut, little bit, and it's a very good initiative actually. Their tagline is thinking beyond the classroom, and it's a very good initiative.